So my volume was not working at all yesterday, and I was just sprinkling packets of sauce everywhere. So it's fixed today. There might be some beneficial knowledge shared here. Maybe. Who knows? Maybe I'll just fuck it up and be done in 20 minutes. Okay, I think we wanna sweep this high, but this fair value gap could hold us down, so we just watch and wait patiently. Oh yeah. This order block could send us down off this rejection block, but my entry would have been right here, 700. So when I drew this on there, and then I was like, okay, if it comes down to this order block, I can get in, hopefully after the market opens, and then it's now 30 points in my favor. So I'm using these on the top side to watch for fail points right now. That one's about to be confirmed. So flip it, hit a flippy. And that's where you would enter. Let's get rid of this rejection block. That's not gonna hold, I know. There we go. And now we're waiting on the world to change. So I realized that basically from the market reopening, oh, there it goes. There's my entry. They're giving me it. I don't want it. I'll wait. This is what I'm gonna finish my thought. I'm gonna finish my thought here and watch this go to my targets. It might just go to 860 right now, to be honest. That wouldn't surprise me. That's where when I saw this and this, my thought yesterday was 860 for a target. So when I see this swept off of this news at 8:15, and this being the situation, yeah, we're going up there for sure. I'm just gonna be on the sidelines while it happens, which is fine. That was what I was gonna say about my point that I was gonna finish, is I am mentally a little bit exhausted. Let's go to yesterday's trading day. 1800 yesterday's trading day. So on Monday when we reopened, from like right here until midnight my time, which is 3 in New York, I was reading price and trading, practicing, testing. Woke up here, well, 9 o'clock. Woke up, was in 7 winning trades up to here, but didn't secure. There's $350 profit that I could have made that I didn't secure. So I should have had a $750 day. Not mad about it, but like I was in this shit, trading it very well, and like read all the way up to here, said where the end move was going to be based on this fair value gap right here. This is all in advance, I called this. Like, we were here, heading up to here, and I was like, yep, this is where my exit's going to be, and then it's going to be the entry for a short, and then the same thing has been used for a short, but this in the afternoon yesterday, whoops. In the afternoon yesterday, look where we were. Bam, my target for my trade was 47.50. We get 2 candles above it. Hit that, come down. I said this move, like, right to this fair value. It's all just, I don't need, the point that I'm trying to make here is, oh no, I missed this move up to a target that I had eyes on. Oh no. Well, okay. I'll find the next one. And then 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 I'll find the next one. And 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 the next. 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 Do you get the point here? I will do this. No matter what. Always. Okay. So that's the first presented fair value gap. That was my entry. Fuckers. Get rid of the PM, and this is today's. Who knows? Maybe I'll just read price today for fun and no trades. Like I said, my brain is exhausted, so I slept. Like I was up till midnight my time, then I woke up at like 4 for some reason, and then it was just like half awake in my bed until 6 when I finally officially woke up. But then, okay, I can get rid of that too. Clean that up. I knew we were getting through there. I'd be watching this volume imbalance at the very top. I can draw that just for eyeball purposes. But there's your entry right there. Bam, up to the first target. Here's another entry. Bam. No stop, even stress. No stress at all. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. No SMTs made here on NQ or ES. Oh yeah. This sucker is definitely going to 860 at least. We're like so close to all-time highs, it's kind of crazy. Boom, 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 boom. What a flick to the tick of that NWOG from months ago. This market is so random. Bom, 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 bom. And I just watched a 150-point move go without me, baby. And I'm not mad about it, 'cause I think I'm finally realizing what skill I actually have. Because if I can read the market from 1800 until I fall asleep, and then when I wake up until the market closes, and then when the reopen happens, and then do it until I fall asleep, and then do it again, and then again, and 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 this hasn't been one day, yeah, I probably got it. I probably got it. Probably got it. It's probably okay to miss a trade here and there. Probably be alright. There's your entry. Taking off. First target coming up. Second target sort of in line with that. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. It's almost, Is it too easy? Should I say it? Should I say it? It's almost too easy. This is the most at peace I've ever felt watching a trade go exactly where I expected it to go without me. Well, okay, now that's not true because there's been times where I'm paper trading and practicing when it's like I'm clearly not at my desk to trade, and then it does that. So then, okay, I'm at peace. But like, I'm here. I came to this desk to trade and click buttons. And I said, there's my opportunity. I'm good. I've never done that. Never once. In this trading journey, in this trading career, never once have I sat here ready to trade and been like, yeah, I'm just gonna not. I'm good. I see the entry. I see the target. I'm good. Never once. I feel like this is a breakthrough for me. I'm cooling. We're cooling. That's gonna be an order block. It's gonna keep pushing. Maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong. I'll happily be wrong. See how these candles overlap. Watch that. Institutional order flow entry drill right under it. See if we get a springboard higher. There's a couple ways it could play out though, because it did deliver. I don't know what ES has got over there, but there's definitely like a new week opening gap that's that large from that long ago. It's definitely a target. So it's not like we're like, oh, we need to hit a target. We hit a target. It could come back down and sweep some lows and then keep going higher. Like, who knows? There's news in 5 minutes, some Canada bullshit. Canada. Is that even a country? Aren't we buying them? No, I'm just kidding. We have Canada bullshit at 9:45. Okay, who cares? Nobody cares. Canada, shut up. And then a yellow folder. This is like this is all, if you ever look at the news, you'll just be like, they're just so full of shit, all of it. Like, okay, everybody's talking about NFP, non-farm payroll, blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, NFP Friday, right? Oh, yeah. Non-farm employment change Friday, 8:30 a.m., red folder news, yeah. Guys, 8:15, non-farm employment, like, they're just doing random shit, guys. It doesn't even, none of this matters. You just need to know what time it's gonna happen. It doesn't fucking matter at all. They will go revise the old shit. Like, they'll put a number out right now, today, and then next month, when they put the number out next month, they revise today's number. Like, that's stupid. How can anybody believe, like, oh, I'm gonna trade off the news information? you're an idiot. You're an idiot. The market is telling you everything. Did I need to know some fucking jackass news anything today? No. Here's the entry. Here's the target. Not freaking rocket science here, people. Boom. There's a target. Boom. Order block. Okay, we can't get through that. Okay, I guess the move's done. Can't get through that. Okay, we sweep that high. Get through that. Oh, okay, let's go find out what else is over there. Nothing. Unless we go all the way back here. Right here. This is probably a 4-hour fair value gap. Yep. 10 p.m. is start. Or 10 a.m. Right here. So this right there will be a 4-hour. Wow, what a surprise, huh? It's like I'm fucking whispering to these charts. What did I say? It could come down. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Your first target hit off both entries. That would signal a target, partial, and I mean, obviously, you'd take a partial from here up to here. And then, knowing the news is coming out, you'd just be waiting. That's my whole plan here. I'm gonna build the shit out of this account, and I have a plan to do it now. Like, the first 30 minutes of the day, I just need one micro to build my cushion. Like, I could have taken that trade up, whatever. That's like a little extra $200 on my daily loss limit, right? Okay, well, if I have $200 on top of my daily loss limit, and then 10 o'clock hits, and there's the silver bullet, well, now I'm able to risk maybe double what I would have been risking on my original trades, right? Maybe I'm only taking one micro with my daily loss limit where it is right now, but if I build up a little bit of a cushion, maybe I can take 2 micros. Maybe I can take 3 micros. And then all of a sudden, my $200 trade is now $700, $800, $900, and I have a $200 cushion that I used, and I only dug into it 50 or $100. So that's kind of my thought process. Now watch the opening price of this down close candle, because that could be an order block. And this stupid ass, this is why you don't even need to care about the news. Oh, we have Canadian red folder news, blah, blah, blah. It didn't do anything. Who cares? But people are there, red folder, red folder. It's Canada. Who cares? Fuck Canada. What influence do they have on our goddamn economy? Nothing. Who cares? That's my thought. Now you want to see it? You want to see it in action here? We can get rid of this one because that move, it's either going to keep going or it's not. But let's watch this. Same with this. I don't need that on there. I don't need that on there to prove what I know. And you'd be watching this one too. Almost in the opposite way. One of them will fail. The flow is towards 860, like I mentioned. And this down close after a string up makes sense to be an order block. Right into the key level and range. Makes sense. Inverse this fair value gap and keep going with the flow. No top wick on that candle at 943. All things supporting continued up move. Just be watching this 5-minute wick. Because that's where it could push to, potentially. But if it pushes to there, I think it's through it. It's done. It's gonna keep going. Because I think with this tool that I'm using, it's a little bit like this red space. It's like as soon as it touches into this red space, when I'm using it on a wick, then it's probably done, right? Because like if a rejection block is real, it's not going past the rejection block, period. Like that's just the rules. So this is for like a stop placement tool. But when I'm using it like this exactly, it doesn't work the same as if I was using it like this and then watching that. And you're seeing bodies digging into the white part, which is like, every time I've been using this, you really won't see that. So let's see what happens. There's your 5-minute order block confirmed. Yeah, I'm predicting the future in real time. Take notes. Take notes. Take notes. See what my journal has to say. Nothing. It says that we have news at 10. That's what I care about. PMI, 10 o'clock. That's why I'm okay waiting. Man, I'm evolving. I'm evolving. I'm proud of myself. Pat me on the back for this one. We're evolving. Quickly. Quick evolve. Quick evolution happening here. Hey, now we still watch that wick though, because look at how that midpoint interacted. See? See, gotta keep lots of eyes on lots of things. If that inverses, if that gap inverses, I'd like it. I would like it for a setup. Wait, you know what? Kind of already did, technically. Wait a minute, hold on. I might have missed it. Not missed it, but it did technically inverse when this candle closed down there. We got bodies respecting my freaking thing. And the wick right there. Oh, it's beautiful. Now watch. I would be willing to bet you that if we get another close down here, this, I'm gonna reverse this. Get rid of this. Oh my goodness. Whoops, I think I didn't mean, I shouldn't have reversed it. There it is. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I had it right. I'm just an idiot. I had it on this fair value gap, not on the wick. Duh. So yeah, it freaking didn't even. Oh my gosh, this shit works so well. I'm like confused at what I'm even doing right now. Like, I broke the game. I broke the game. I broke the game, guys. Holy shit. 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 I can't even get closer than that. Like, it's literally perfection. It's perfection. Oh, I'm just like a kid in the candy store. I'm just like a kid in the candy store with this one. NQ and ES, completely different directions right now. I'm so sick of looking at ES. It's like just garbage. Boop, 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 boop. Isn't it funny how they use the quadrants of the RTH gap before the RTH gap is even put in? This is like, when I say just go look at your fucking charts, man. Like, oh, I need a guru for this. I need to learn this from somebody. I need a fucking blah, blah, blah. No, you need to open your goddamn fucking eyes and go look around in the fucking charts, man. Period. That's it. That's it. This that I just drew on there doesn't exist until 9:30. But the market is using it all night. Guys, are you fucking catching it yet? It's not that hard. It's not that fucking hard. Holy hell, I make it so much harder on myself than I need to. And I guess everybody does, but it's not that hard when you know the tools to use. It's literally just a fucking grid, bruh. Watch. You want me to copy this and just like, oh shit. Hold on. I guess the better way to do it is with the standard deviation. Oh wow, look where the bodies went. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Off by a couple ticks. Oh wow. Oh wow. But then you just put the 1.5 to 1.1 as your range of engagement. Get rid of the fib. Let's go on the 1 minute. Oh wow. Oh wow. Look where the setup formed. Oh wow. Alright. I need to chill. And then where does the projection take us? Down to a reasonable target that makes sense. And where's the other one? Oh, if we sweep all this, and this. Huh. Yeah. It's just math, numbers, not rocket science. Not rocket science. Just some math and numbers. $10 news is gonna cook everybody. Look at frickin' ES and look at NQ right now. Like, what in the hell? Okay, ES is up here. And the 15-minute looks more ridiculous. NQ is down. ES is up. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. We're definitely on the same page here. We could come down. That would be cool. Everybody loves to chase some moms, so maybe lower would be the right song. But I still want to see 860. But I also think ES might have done the sweep. So you get knowledge, entertainment, and legendary music making abilities. Got it all here. Got it all. Alright, 10 seconds. Get these idiots out of here. This is gonna do something ridiculous, just watch. See, it just froze. Ding! What did I say? Ridiculous behavior. Something ridiculous is about to happen. Where did it fucking go to? Oh, just my target. No big deal. Yeah, don't mind me. Don't mind me. I need to get the volume imbalance on NQ. So it's from, let's see, 54 to 46.25. Damn. Way off. Holy hell. Okay. Yeah, you need to fill that, and the micros need to fill that little spot, because that's too crazy. I've never really seen it, like, that big of a gap off the news. That's fucking nuts. Yeah, go clean that up here. That would be what makes sense. Also, I guess 50% of the gap, or the quadrants of the gap, 25% held perfectly. This is not good trading conditions. And that's why I think when I woke up, like I saw it just basically at settlement from yesterday, and I saw this drop down from the news, so I kind of assumed they would take out that high. And then I knew that 9:45 and 10 o'clock were news, so I just like, if I miss this trade, there's nothing for me to do here. Like, oh, I could have had this entry. Yes, technically, it's on my chart. But am I gonna hold this entry with price right here acting like this into a giant news number? Like, if this gapped this the opposite way, my account's fucked. Fucked. Because this is real money account, not prop firm account. So if I have a gap 50 points through my stop loss, fucked. Account, fucked. Not fully fucked, because I have plenty of balance in there. That one trade like that wouldn't destroy it, but there's no reason to do that. That's why, like, in my head, I'm like, well, maybe I'll just wait until the afternoon session. This is my evolution here, because I know I can trade very well in the afternoon session. I know the morning session was going to be kind of BS. I know that there's NFP this week. So they fuck it around the whole time, basically. Like from this morning, 8:15, until when they release the real NFP on Friday, it's fucked. It's all fucked. So PM, when it's fuckery, is usually the best time to trade. Like I could just sit out until noon. Like I can go to the gym, take a couple hours. You know? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So I think, like, what high probability setup is here? I missed it. It's fine. No biggie. No biggie. And that's the difference between trading real money and a prop firm account. Because on a prop firm, oh, I gotta hit a certain number of days at a certain blah 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 blah. Rush my trades. Be an idiot. Whoa. Also, you want to see what's funny? Where that went? Midnight price, almost to the tick. But we're still in this range, so hit the manipulation, hit the manipulation. More room to the downside. That's my thought. There's an order block at about 540, 550. That's what I'm interested in. So basically yesterday's AM opening range midpoint or so. If you want a visual of where that is, right here is, what chart am I on? 5 minute? No, that's not it. Right there. There's your target. Look at me just blessing the people. If there's anybody watching this, I've given you the money. And I'm not even taking it for myself. What a fucking guy, huh? What a fucking guy. And then look where the midpoint of the AM opening range is. it's like to the tick in the middle of the AM first presented fair value gap from the same day. Huh, interesting. So yeah, that's my thoughts. That's my thoughts. I even said up to here was an entry. Down, boom, there's 100 points. Oh, so there's 100 almost from here to here. Then down from here to here is 150. There's 250 points gathered in 40 minutes. And we know it's probably going to drop another 100. So what is that? 350 points gathered in an hour. 1 micro, $700. And that's why I'm totally okay sitting here watching. Because I can do this any day, anytime, whenever it's cleaner. And this, being able to read it like this when it's not clean, hey, show me who else is. Show me who else is. That's all I gotta say about that. I will be back in the afternoon session. I am making the official decision now. I'm calling it a session. If you won, congratulations. If you learned something, that's way better than just copying my thoughts and winning. I am not here to be a copy trader service. If that's what you utilize me as, I will not know. And when you start making bank off my decisions, send me a thank you in the results. That's all I'm gonna have to say. Have a great day, everybody.